Hey there, fellow online shoppers. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to block specific discount codes that are active in our store using CARTBLOCK. This type of block prevents potential fraud or any abuse of these codes. For example, in our store, we have the discount code LL code active, as seen in the cart. Let's create a rule that prevents the customer from completing the transaction if the code is entered. First, click on Create Validation. Give a name to this blocking function and decide where to display the error message and what message to show the customer by entering the message body in this window. In the Choose Function Input window, select Advanced Input Shopify Plus and click on Add Condition and scroll down to find the necessary function. As you can see, there are new functions available only for Shopify Plus member. Today we will choose Discount Codes. Choose Partially Contain and enter the code or part of the code that interests us. In our case, we enter LL, which means that this rule will apply to all codes containing LL in part of their name. Finally, choose the market on which to activate this rule or leave no country selected for the rule to apply to all markets. And save. Let's check that our rule works correctly. As we can see in our store, the discount is already present. Let's remove it and update the page. Now, let's enter the code, and as you can see here on the left, the error message appears immediately as we set it in the rule. Remember, those new functions are available only for Shopify Plus member, and update your CARTBLOCK app extension. To update, go on Setting, then choose Checkout on the side menu, and in the right window, go on Customize and click. A new page will be loaded. In the bottom corner on the left, click Add App Block and select CARTBLOCK in side menu. A new setting page will open, and here switch Sync Discount Codes in True and save. Now you can use CARTBLOCK. Always remember that you can activate or deactivate the rule from the dashboard with a simple click. If you're facing challenges with discount code abuse and looking for a reliable solution, CARTBLOCK may just be the answer you've been searching for. Try CARTBLOCK now and experience a new level of control over your Shopify store's discount strategies. Protect your margins and enhance your customers' shopping experience today.